To fix Zelle when it's not receiving money, start by checking your internet connection and ensuring your mobile device or computer is connected to a stable network. Next, verify that you have the latest version of the Zelle app or the mobile banking app that supports Zelle installed on your device. Check your Zelle account status to ensure it is active and not suspended due to any security concerns. If your account is suspended, contact your bank or the Zelle support team to resolve the issue. Also, confirm that the sender has correctly entered your Zelle enrolled email address or mobile number to avoid any potential issues with transactions. Review your transaction history to see if there are any pending or failed transactions that may be causing the issue. If you find any, try to cancel or retry the transaction to resolve the problem. Ensure that the sender has sufficient funds in their account to complete the transaction and that the transaction amount is within the daily limit set by Zelle or your bank. If you are still having trouble receiving money, try restarting the Zelle app or your mobile device to refresh the connection. Check with your bank to see if there are any issues with their systems or if there are any maintenance activities that may be affecting Zelle services. Contact Zelle support or your bank's customer service for assistance if none of the above steps resolve the issue. It is also important to be aware of the common issues that may cause problems with receiving money on Zelle, such as incorrect account information, insufficient funds, or transaction limits. By following these steps and being mindful of these potential issues, you should be able to fix Zelle when it's not receiving money and get back to sending and receiving money seamlessly.